Yeah, that would be something else.
Yeah.
You know.
So, oh, look at that tiny little bunny.
Oh yeah. It would be like him to do something like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just,
Not right.
yeah, it'd be not right at all. You know, it's just really. That's what I would say. Is really.
Yeah, I'll go really. Why? You could have just, text me and let me know.
Well, text one of us.
Yeah.
Let us know what's going on, guys. Happy Friday. Yes, it is Friday.
Oh, no, I don't want to look
Or just kind of playing on.
at it.
Yeah, that's about what it is, you know.
Mom's got ants in her pants.
Yeah. Mom's got ants in her pants.
Yeah, well, she's been sitting on pins and needles for a while now.
Ouch, doesn't that hurt?
No,
Pins and
it won't
needles?
hurt. No.
Come on, pins and needles.
It's just a phrase, people. I'm not actually sitting on pins and needles.
Obviously not. You're sitting in a chair. Oh my god. So, yeah. That's what the situation is now, and as things unfold, I don't know. I mean, it's just. I have no idea. You got me. I have no idea. Huh? What'd you say?
Food making me sick.
All depends what type of food it is.
True. Loaded fries? No, I don't think so.
Loaded fries?
Yeah, loaded. Here we go. Darth Vader and Big Bird.
Oops. Drop something. Yeah. So I'm hope everybody's having an awesome Friday.
Oh.
The weekend.
No, I ain't looking
I said it's the weekend. I said.
Oh, okay.
I didn't say looking forward to the weekend. I said it's the weekend. There's a difference.
Yeah, sure. I don't want you to take a picture of that because it could be offensive to a lot of people.
Yeah.
Barbara saying that. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. So that's what's like going on. You know what I mean?
They party hard last night.
Party.
Oh, party.
Party.
I'm passed out. Oh.
Oh.
Walmart thinks I want to put up my Christmas tree and eat turkey while wearing my Halloween costume.
What the hell? You guys see that? Jeez.
Oh, yeah, when moms come up with all this shit. Okay, money can't buy happiness, but it can buy. Exactly. It's a 4652 Oval Inferno. Regular $99 down to $39.88.
Dang, man, that's what we paid.
Yeah.
That's what we paid for that printer.
Uh-huh.
Shit.
I wouldn't buy ink from them. Rollbacks. An iPhone rollback.
iPhone were back.
Yeah, that's what it looks like on the side. An iPhone, you can tell by the button on the bottom. For $149.99. And it's straight talk.
Of course, it's straight talk. You know?
Refurbished. Who wants a refurbished iPhone? Not. Yeah, my printer.
Yeah, no.
I like that thing. It's nice. It even has a fax. If I had a phone line, I could fax it. People paying $65 fucking dollars for a thing of goddamn ink.
That's a lot.
It is. Rokio Express plus HD New get 1 month free from Hulu.
Jeez. You know, I mean, it's like... Hulu, man, they charge a lot.
Hayden. I don't know anybody from Hayden. And he wouldn't be in Hayden, he would be in Tucson. I'm here. Yeah. Why didn't you call me? You got my number, why didn't you call me?
Yeah. Why don't you call?
Yeah. You know, like, hello. Yeah, y'all. They got extenders for HDMI.
Extenders?
Yeah, extenders.
Man.
Like this.
Yeah. I see that.
You see that? Okay. You see that. 10 keypad, 10 exactly. It's a 4652 Oval Inferno. Regular $99 down to $39.88.
Dang, man, that's what we paid.
Yeah.
That's what we paid for that printer.
Uh-huh.
Shit.
I wouldn't buy ink from them. Rollbacks. An iPhone rollback.
iPhone were back.
Yeah, that's what it looks like on the side. An iPhone, you can tell by the button on the bottom. For $149.99. And it's straight talk.
Of course, it's straight talk. You know?
Refurbished. Who wants a refurbished iPhone? Not. Yeah, my printer.
Yeah, no.
I like that thing. It's nice. It even has a fax. If I had a phone line, I could fax it. People paying $65 fucking dollars for a thing of goddamn ink.
That's a lot.
It is. Rokio Express plus HD See new, get 1 month free from Hulu.
Jeez. You know, I mean, it's like Hulu, man, they charge a lot.
Hayden? I don't know anybody from Hayden. He wouldn't be in Hayden, he would be in Tucson. I'm here, yeah. Why didn't you call me? You got my number, why didn't you call me?
Yeah. Why don't you call?
Yeah, you know, like, hello! Yeah, y'all. They got extenders.
We'll be back, Scratchy. Yeah. A brand new little tree. Yeah, we need a cart. What's wrong with it? Is that better?
Yeah.
Gosh, it's picky with carts. It's picky with carts.
No, if it don't turn right,
Let's go to GM side. Yeah, Halloween stuff.
yeah. Where'd it go?
Someone's drinking a Starbucks. You see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
I mean, like, damn, that looked good. You know? Looking for some what? Oh, jeez. You're always looking for HBA. Yeah. Man, we're looking for stuff. Scratchy, scratchy. Gotta take her to the water, baby, while my wife's out of town. That's, let's see. Yeah. $11. And it's open too. Jeez. I need something that's not open. That up there. 5 to 10 gallon. 20 to 30. Damn. That's okay. Have what? What are you looking for? Oh, the horse shampoo? Oh.
Guess what?
The hell is that?
Dishwash shampoo.
Dishwash shampoo?
No, horse shampoo.
Yeah, that's for animals.
No, Tammy was using that to make her hair grow.
Oh God, no. It's $6 a bottle.
That's a big bottle though. It's 32 ounces.
We'll grab another bottle. Back of that.
You need clarifier?
Let's see. Clarifier.
Clear water.
Yeah, this one. And I don't see. Oh. Yeah, I'm not
Don't-
going too much over haywire on the other side.
No.
Here, take the cart.
For dog food.
How low are we?
We're low enough. It's hitting the bottom. Yeah, I'm not gonna get real big there.
No. I'll go grab one of these just in case. Just in case I'm low on the other bottle. No. She wants dog food. I went to grab it anyway. Was this the one you bought?
Yeah, no, not that one. That's large. This one's small. Boy.
Alright guys. Heading towards grocery. Kleenex.
Yeah, tissues.
Jeez.
Okay.
God damn. It went back up. You ain't paying $1.36.
No, I said I'm not paying a dollar.
I know what you said. Good Lord have mercy, guys. You're a big ass bag of dog food. Jesus, sweetie. Oh no.
You know what?
No, not really. I haven't had it in a while. I don't feel like crying. What? Yeah, that's the big one. I don't want the big one. God. $5? Gee whiz. I'm trying to watch it. trying to watch money too. And realize he was impossible now. $5 a bag, $4.97. This.
Yeah, I know
You didn't tell me. You need to tell me when that cart is there. Okay? There, whatever. That's it.
Hey, you have a great day.
You too.
I want
Good boy. He's trying to run me over like a damn cart. Reasonable?
Yeah, that would be it. That would be good.
Haven't had those in so long. You too.
Are we out of here?
Oh, okay. Whatever. Sit by me.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on